Hey guys, happy Sunday. So today I'm going to show you how to take off the coil covers on an L83 or L86 motor. This one right here had a, I don't know if he's a subscriber, but I had a comment about how to remove this so we can replace the ground strap. So I figured it's pretty simple. I'm just going to do it today and upload it today and help him out. So I'm gonna, you can take your your intake box off by undoing that clamp there, disconnecting your two PCV hoses, and you can remove this. I'm gonna use it to put the camera on. So I'm gonna get the camera positioned and we'll get at it. All right, before I set the camera up, you're gonna need to take off on both sides. You take off this PCV hose from here and up here. These here, you literally just press them, and I'll see if I can get in close enough. You see how it releases. Let me use my stronger hand. Press it and just kind of wiggle it. You can see it's starting to come off. There we go. Just like that. And then that one's free. We'll come down here to the bottom one, and we'll press that in. And then you'll need two hands, but actually I'll see if I can. You get the gist. So we'll press that in. Let me position the camera. All right, yeah, we can see this. So just press that in and just kind of give it a little twist to break the seal, and it'll pull up and off like so. And go ahead and do that on both sides. All right, as long as the camera stays. So for the sake of not breaking it, we're just going to pull the dipstick out, set it aside. And it's a good opportunity to check your oil while you're at it. Take your oil fill cap off. And then there's two clips that hold it on. Once we get it off, so right there, both clips are off. And it's a little bit of a tight fit, but you want to wiggle it like in that crease. You kind of see how it's rounded here, so you can snake it down in there. So to put it back on in the clip, so actually there's three. There's one there, one there, one there, corresponding little nipples on the cover. So now to put it back on, you'll slide it back, get that corner started, and you'll just gently just work it back, and you'll feel it drop in, get it around your dipstick tube like so, get it lined up with where your oil fill cap and adapter goes through, and then just press that down just like that. Reinstall your oil fill cap and your dipstick, and now we'll go over to the passenger side of the motor. Alright, this side is going to be similar to the other side, except we have a couple heaters in the way, no oil fill cap, no dipstick. So if you want, we could take a screwdriver, release the holder for the heater lines, and that way you have a little more movement. Just be careful back here. They are plastic where they go onto the heater core, and you don't want to break those because they're expensive, and it's just, they're kind of a nightmare to get off back there. So I'll get the camera back like that. Once you got the heater hoses able to be moved, just like the other side, we'll pop off the three retainers and just wiggle it. And it's going to slide against the firewall just like the other side. Get her off, slide her out, just like that. And then, hey, good opportunity, a critter decided I want to try to build something. So I'm going to clean this out and then we'll put it back on. Alright, I got rid of the majority of the critter home. So now we'll take it, just like removal, we'll slide it out in here, and then start with that corner against the firewall, and just walk it down, and then pop your clips back on, There we go. Just like that. We'll put our heater hoses back in the bracket, like so. And now finally we'll take these, and they have a side that says engine, that goes under your valve cover. Push until it clips, push until it clips, and then do the same on the driver's side.